Hello guys,
Hi guys.
we are in a garden in nature, so let's discuss something our connectedness to nature.
Mm,
So we and nature, what's our connection? Can you explain?
we are just connected, and when we say we and nature, we are divided.
So okay, so you mean that we are one? So can you explain how we are one? Maybe some logic or.
All right. If you don't talk, nobody talks.
Mhm.
No person talks.
So it means that there is no one to explain.
No, no thinking.
No thinking,
Yes.
nothing, yeah?
Nothing.
Completely
Yes.
nothing.
Nothing. Yes.
So it means, yeah, just one
It's one thing.
thing. Well, yes, it makes sense,
Yes.
but since we are human being and we are thinking, maybe, maybe just for our understanding, maybe it's possible to explain it with logic in a logical way. Can you try?
Okay, you're saying yes, we are one, but let's assume we are not one. We are many. So now explain how we are one.
Okay, let's say you and this green trees, yes,
Mm.
they are separate in a space,
Uh,
and you are talking, you are alive, you have
Mm.
beard, you are a person,
Mm.
but this tree is totally different. So standing there, and it's green, but it cannot talk like you, so it's different, yeah, from you. So how can we say that we are just one with this?
Alright, if we grab time and if we rotate it backwards, eventually you and this tree are going to go inside one thing. So you both spring from one thing.
What is that one thing?
It is the whole.
What is that whole?
Whatever you see. All. Whatever you see,
So whatever I see is a whole.
and more.
Okay, well, there's a whole and more. So
What?
can you elaborate on this? Can you
Yes.
make it simpler?
Okay. Whatever you see and more are one.
So all is one. All is one.
Yeah, all is one.
All, all is one. So how all is one? How is it possible? Can you explain this? How is it possible that all is one? What is the base of all of these things?
Because all lives in harmony. All this. For example, the sun is shining.
Mm-hmm.
Were it not for the sun, we would not be here.
Mm-hmm.
So we and sun, our existence. Well, my existence is dependent on sun. Let's say. So sun was one of the functions, one of the reasons why sun um, is to give me to give me light to okay basically
Vitamin D.
well vitamin D to provide food for me so but it's very far away but the design was calculated from the very beginning so sun that the grass let's say all are um, interconnected so all are just one organism in that sense all is one all is one Um, yeah, it's very much seems that all is not one. Very much seems that we have separation. We have this, I independent, but this I has no idea about its own future. It believes it just dropped from somewhere from sky. It has no knowledge of its past.
Mm-hmm. So all is one.
Yeah, all
So
is
the
one.
basic of all things are just one thing.
Yeah,
Although the appearances may be different, but the basis of all things are one. So
yeah.
what is that basis? Is it energy?
No, it's just all is one. Like whatever now, it's there is no base. You see, well, whatever the base is whatever.
So the material is one. For example, from clay you can make different things, but the base is the material is the same. The clay. Is it the same?
Well, you see, the problem is the one is not whatever we see, and that's all. The one, whatever we see, and whatever that is yet to be seen. By one, I mean millions of people who are yet to be born, millions of trees yet to be grown, so many mountains yet to be uh, risen, okay, whatever. So it's unmanifested. By one, inside one, you have this infinite possibility, and we can't say there was a base, and before the base there was nothing. It's just there's always what is and what is yet to be. Just so what is has been always, because if what is was not and became, then from what it became, from something is, it should become, right? So it becomes a very
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, got it over. Okay, sorry.
so the present tells us the answer, what is and what is yet to be. So yeah, that's
Do you have any more additions or comments?
addition is um I say just study.
you been study? Study?
Yeah, study.
Okay.